Hi, boys and girls. I am going to read a story today, and the story is called The Stray Dog. And that's the title of our story. This is the cover, this is the spine, and this is the back cover. And it's by Mark Simont, a true story by Rico Sassa. And that is the author, the person who writes the words. All right, let's get into it. Here is the title page, The Stray Dog. And that has the title on the page. That's why it's called the title page. It was a great day for a picnic. "What's this?" asked the father. "It's a scruffy little dog," said the mother. "He looks hungry," said the girl. "I think he wants to play," said the boy. The children played with him and taught him to sit up. They named him Willie. They kept playing until it was time to go. Aw, look how cute he is. "Let's take Willie home," said the children. "No," said the father. "He must belong to someone," explained the mother, "and they would miss him." On the way home, the girl said, "Maybe Willie doesn't belong to anyone." During the week, all the family had Willie on their minds. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, and on Friday. They just kept thinking about Willie. On Saturday, "Willie!" They all cried when he appeared, but Willie didn't stop. Willie was in a big hurry. He's running. He's running so fast. Someone's trying to catch him. "He has no collar. He has no leash," said the dog warden. "This dog is a stray. He doesn't belong to anyone." The boy took off his belt. "Here's his collar," he said. The girl took off her hair ribbon. "Here's his leash," she said. "His name is Willie, and he belongs to us." What are they doing? Aww. They look like they're having fun. They took Willie home, and after that, they introduced him to the neighborhood where he met some very interesting dogs. And Willie settled in where he belonged. And when we finish a book, we say, "The end." Thanks for listening. Bye.